Hello, dear friends. Do you want to speak English? Better, do you feel shy? Or forget words? Don't worry. You are not alone. The best way to learn English is by listening and speaking every day. Today I will share a simple and fun story. It is called My Daily Routine by Lisa. The story has very short and easy lines. Each line helps you learn how to talk about your day. I walk to the kitchen. Mom is making breakfast. She smiles at me. I say, "Good morning, Mom," she says. "Good morning, Lisa." I sit on a chair. The chair is soft and brown. I wait for my food. Mom gives me eggs and toast. She also gives me a glass of milk. I say, "Thank you." "Mom, the food smells so good." I eat it slowly. I chew each bite. I finish everything on my plate. I drink the milk too now. I feel full. I feel strong and happy. I clean my mouth then. I put my plate away. After breakfast, I pack my bag. I check my books. I take my pencil box. I zip my bag. It is ready to go. It feels a little heavy, but I smile anyway. Dad calls me from outside. He is waiting in the car. I say goodbye to Mom. She waves at me. I run to the car. I open the door. I sit next to Dad. Dad starts the car. The road is quiet. Trees wave at me. Birds fly in the sky. The wind is soft and cool. I look out the window. I see kids walking. Some are riding bikes. I wave at a friend. He waves back with a smile. We reach my school. It is big and bright. I see my teacher waiting. I say, "Bye, Dad." He says, "Have a nice day." I walk into school. My friends come to me. We laugh and talk. The bell rings loud. It's time to go inside. We go to our class. Our teacher is kind. She says, "Good morning." Kids, we say, "Good morning, ma'am." Then we sit down quietly. We learn many things. We read and write. We sing a new song. We learn about colors. We draw happy pictures. We also play games. We clap and jump. Everyone is happy today. The teacher tells a story. It is about a smart cat. I love the story. I clap at the end. Then it's snack time. I open my lunchbox. I have apples and cookies. I eat with my friends. We talk and giggle. Then we clean our hands. We sit for the next class. We learn about numbers today. The teacher writes on the board. We count from 1 to 20. We say numbers out loud. I raise my hand to answer. The teacher says, "Good job, Lisa." I feel proud and happy. I love to learn. Learning is fun and cool. Then the bell rings again. It is time to go home. I pack my bag again. I wait for Dad outside. He comes with a smile. I run to hug him. We sit in the car. He asks, "How was school?" I say it was great. We drive back home. I feel a little tired. The ride is peaceful and calm at home. I take off my shoes. I wash my hands and face. Then I sit on the couch. Mom brings me a snack. It is warm and remains. I say, "Thank you, Mom." Then I drink some water. I take a small rest. I watch a cartoon show. It makes me laugh loud. After TV, I do homework. I open my books. I read and write again. I ask Mom for help. She helps me with a smile. I learn a new word. The word is bright. Mom says, "You are bright." I giggle and feel happy. I finish all my work. Then I go outside. The sun is still up. I ride my bike slowly. I meet my friend Mia. We play with a ball. We run and jump. We count steps together. We sing a song too. Then Mia goes home. I wave and say, "Bye." I go back inside. It is almost evening. I help Mom a little. I fold my clothes. I put toys in the box. Mom is cooking dinner. The kitchen smells so good. Dad comes home from work. He hugs me tight. We all sit for dinner. We eat together as a family. I have rice and chicken. I eat slowly and neatly. We talk and smile. Dad tells a funny story. I laugh and laugh. My tummy feels full. Then I clean my hands. Mom says, "Good job, Lisa." I feel proud again after dinner. I read a book. It is a short fairy tale. I love books with magic. The story is sweet and fun. It is a short fairy tale. I love books with magic. The story is sweet and fun. It has a happy ending. Then it baths. Time I go to the bathroom. I take a warm bath. I play with bubbles. Then I dry myself. I wear my pajamas. They are pink with hearts. I brush my teeth again. Now my mouth feels fresh. I drink a glass of water. I say goodnight to Mom. I say goodnight to Dad. I hug them both. They say, "Sleep well, Lisa." I go to my cozy bed. I pull up my blanket. I close my eyes slowly. I think of my happy day. I say, "Thank you, God." Then I fall asleep.